So trending on TikTok is mimicking sounds. So you make a sound and you have to see how well you can mimic it. I'm actually really good at this. I make a lot of really awesome sound effects.
You're always so overconfident.
I really am. Ready?
All right, here we go.
Okay.
Listen closely. I almost sprayed myself in the face.
That's pretty good, right?
It needs more follow through, but okay. All right.
Not bad, right?
In the American Idol of sounds, I'm not sure you're making it yet. Hold on.
That's pretty good.
It's a little phlegmy.
But pretty good, right?
All right. Relax.
You didn't know I was good at this, right?
This is the same as crumpling paper.
How do you think I did? I'm pretty good, right? You didn't ask me to do my witch's voice.
No.
It's Halloween week. I'm allowed to do my witch's voice only 1 week out of the year, and it's Halloween week, and I get to do it starting right now. Ready?